Good morning, dear students. How are you? Do you find good? Today is our maths class. I warmly welcome you in my online class. Are you ready? Yes. Very good. In last class, we studied about shapes. Which are the basic shapes? Yes. Say, which are the basic shapes? All of you say square, next rectangle, triangle and circle. Say once more loudly. Square, rectangle, triangle and circle. These are the basic shapes. Okay? These are the basic shapes. Okay. Now we are going to study a new chapter named fraction. Named fraction. Fifth chapter. Fifth chapter named fraction. What is the spelling of fraction? F R A C T I O N. Fraction. Do you know what is meant by fraction? Listen. Fraction is a part of a whole. Part of a whole. All of you listen here. This is a paper, a A4 sheet. Okay. This is the whole part of a A4 sheet. Listen. All of you listen. I am going to cut this paper into two equal parts. Two equal parts. Equal parts. One part and second part. Listen. Cut into two equal parts. Listen. We already studied fraction is a part of a whole. This paper I cut into two equal parts. Two equal parts. This is the one part and the second part. This is the equal part of a whole paper. This part is called half and the other part is half. Yes. So, we say it half together. Half together and make a whole. Two halves make together get or makes a whole. Do you understand? Yes. So, we write it a whole. A whole is write it 1. Write it as 1 and with write as 1 half 1 half 1 half 1 half and we read 1 half. 1 half and 1 half make together we get a whole part. 1 half and another half make together get together make a whole. Okay. This we read it 1 by 2, a half or 1 by 2. Listen. All of you listen. We read it, write it as 1 by 2 and read it 1 a half, half or 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Half or 1 by 2. Okay. All of you listen. Next. This is another paper. Another paper. Listen. I am going to cut into 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts. All of you listen. 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Cut into 4 equal parts. Listen. Next, we are going to study 1 quarter, 1 half and 1 quarter and 1 quarter. Listen. 1 quarter. Listen. 1 quarter. 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts makes a 1 quarter or called 1 or a quarter. Listen. Listen. This is the whole. This is a 4 part of a whole paper. Listen. 1 by 4 or a quarter equal 4 parts. One part is called a quarter or 1 by 4. We write it as this and read it 1 quarter. Do you understand? Yes, 1 quarter and 1 half. 1 half and or we read it 1 by 2. 1 by 2 and 1 quarter. 1 quarter we read it 1 by 4. 1 by 4. All of you listen. All of you take your textbook. Take your textbook. Exercise number 1. Exercise number 1. Look at the shapes and fill in the boxes. Page number 66. Open the page number 66. Exercise number 1. Look at the shapes and fill in the boxes. First, all of you listen. First, this is a, yes, it's a circle. Cut into 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts. 1 by 4, listen, 4 equal parts. 1 by 4 and 1 by 4, 1 by 4 and 1 by 4 or 1 quarter, 1 quarter and 1 quarter and 1 quarter makes a whole equal 1, makes 1. Listen. Listen. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 equal 1. Listen. All of you listen. 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 Into 4 parts. 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. It makes a whole. Makes a whole equal 1. Okay. Listen. Listen. Next seconds. Next. Listen. Listen. Okay. 2 parts. This arrange it into 2 parts. Half and half. 1 by 2. 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 makes a whole or 1. Listen. 2 plus 1 by 2 equal 1. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 equal, yes, equal 1. Next. This is a rectangle shape. Rectangle shape is cut into 4 parts. Equal 4 parts. 1 by, yes, 1 by 4. Listen. Listen. 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4 and 1 by 4 makes a whole equal to 1. So, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 equal 1. Okay, equal 1. Listen, all of you. All of you listen. Next third. Fourth shape of a, yes, rectangle. Rectangle the shape equal 2 parts. Listen. All of you listen. All of you listen. Listen. 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. Listen. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 equal 1. Okay, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 2 halves make a whole. 2 halves make a whole. Next, all of you listen. Next page. Next page. Page number 67. Page number 67. Color one half of each of the shape. Color one half of each shape. All of you listen. All of you take your textbook and color it. One half. You color one half. One half of each shape. Of the each shape. Listen. You color it. Next. Listen to you color one half. One half. Next, color 1/2. Can you see? Yes. All of you color in your textbook. Yes. Next, 1/2. You color 1/2 of this triangle. Next, fifth one, all of you listen. Color 1/2 of this shape. Color this shape. Okay. Next, color this in 1/2. Okay. All of you color in your textbook. Color 1/2 of each part, each of the shape. Okay. Next, C, exercise C. Listen. Color 1/4 of each of the shape. Color 1/4 of each of the shape. All of you listen. This is a simple chapter. All of you listen carefully and color. Color 1/4 of each of the shape. 1/4. Yes, this is a 1/4. Next, in next shape, this is a square. Square in shape. You color 1/4. 1/4. We write or read it 1/4. 1/4. Next, we color. You color in this shape 1/4. We read it 1/4. 1/4. Next, which shape is this? Which shape? Circle. Which shape? Circle. Listen. We color 1/4. Read 1/4. Listen. Next, you color 1/4. 1/4. And this is the shape of, which shape is this? Good. Which shape? Rectangle. Yes. Rectangle. You color 1/4 of this triangle shape. Okay. We read it 1/4. 1/4. Okay. All of you listen. All of you do this in your textbook and rewrite in your notebook. This is a simple chapter in your math textbook named fraction. Fraction is a part of a whole. Fraction is a part of a whole. A fraction is a part of a portion of the whole. Do you understand? Yes. First of all, we studied 1/2. 1/2. 1/2, we write it a whole as one. Okay. Next, we write 1/2. We write we write 1/2 as 1/2. 1/2, and we read it as half or 1/2. Half or 1/2. Listen, all of you write it in your notebook. Write it in your notebook. Do you finish? Yes. Listen. 1/2 plus 1/2 equal 1. A whole. 1/2 plus 1/2 equal 1. Okay. A whole part of a thing. Listen. Next. 1/4. 1/4. Quarter spelling QUARTER. Say once more. QUARTER. Okay. The 1/4 is right. We write it as 1/4 as 1/4. 1/4 as 1/4. We read it as quarter or 1/4. 1/4. All of you write it in your notebook and study well. Next, all of you listen. All of you listen. 1/2 plus 1/2 equal 1. Okay. Next, 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 equal 1. Okay. Listen. This is the whole part of a circle. Divide into two equal parts. One part is called 1/2 and other part 1/2. These two parts together make together a whole. Equal 1. Next, all of you listen. All of you write it in your notebook. Okay. Yes. Next. Which shape is this? Which shape? Good. Triangle. Which shape? Triangle. Listen. I am going to divide this rectangle into 4 parts. Rectangle into 4 parts. This is a shape of rectangle. Shape of rectangle divided into 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts. 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 equal to 1. These 4 equal parts make together a whole. A whole. Listen. 1 equal 1. Next, listen. Next, listen. Which shape is this? Yes. This shape? Okay, say. Which shape is this? Good. I am going to divide into 4 equal parts. Divided into 4 equal parts. 1 part, second part, third part and fourth part. We read it 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. This is the shape of a square. Yes, we divided into 4 equal parts. One part is called a quarter. Yes, a quarter. 4 quarter together make together a whole. A whole. Listen. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 equal to 1. Equal to 1. All of you listen carefully. Do you understood? Yes, very good. This much for today. Our this chapter, easy chapter named fraction is completed. All of you write your textbook and notebook, your exercises you write in your textbook and notebook. Thank you for watching my online class. Thank you everyone.